So this week I'm going to show you how I press flowers to make some amazing framed artwork for my bedroom. Why? Well, although I have loads of amazing artworks from other people that I've collected throughout the years, I really wanted something that I've made up on my walls. Before we begin, smash that like button, make sure you're subscribed, and hit the notification bell. So, where do we start? Well, we start with the flowers. Whether they're fresh from your garden or from a bunch of husband's given you, or anybody else for that matter, you want them fresh. So cut them in the morning, after the dew's gone, and that's get you the best result. Now you want a big book, as thick as you can find, and lots of paper. The more absorbent the better, blotting paper basically, but you can't have patterns on it, otherwise those patterns will transfer to your pressed flowers. Arrange the flowers separately in the big book, in between the blotting paper or the plain paper or whatever you're using. Make sure you use several sheets of paper, and if you're doing lots of flowers, separate them with a few pages in between, just to give them the most pressure to press down as possible. Then wait. And wait, 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 and wait. You've got to check on them every few days, change out the blotting paper if needed, add more sometimes, and so you want to change out that blotting paper every few days, make sure that the moisture isn't leaking through to your book that you don't want ruined, so make sure you add a few more pages of paper just to be on the safe side every couple of days, and wait to about 2 or 3 weeks. But I'm impatient, so I didn't wait that long. Then you get to arrange them. I've chosen to put them in transparent frames. I've got my frames from IKEA. I've also had to put a little bit of glue on the flowers just so they don't move because the frame isn't that tight. I've removed the frame legs. This is because I didn't want to see the frame leg behind the picture when it's on my wall. So you can either buy transparent frames like I've done, or you can actually make your own. You do this by using a normal photo frame. You just take off the back, rearrange. You can use 2 photo frames or 1 photo frame depending on what you're putting in it. And I may have an example of that here, or I may do that another time. Depends how lazy I want to be this week. And here is the final results. So, pow, and klabamo. I like this one particularly. If you have made it this far, please comment down below the word impatient, because I can't spell it. I've tried spelling it 5 times today and I just can't do it. So I really want to know how to do it. Comment it down below to let me know.